Thousands of sensors designed to help prevent wastewater overflows are being installed across Auckland's sewer network as part of efforts to reduce costs and protect the environment. Watercare says it'll help them take a proactive rather than reactive approach to maintenance. But it won't mean cheaper water bills. Jacob Johnson has more.
Auckland's manholes are getting an upgrade. These stainless steel sensors placed just beneath the lid. A small change that Watercare says will make a big difference.
Overflows are an issue. We do have the rainfall-driven ones. We also have blockages in an aging system, and most of them are all caused by wet wipes and debris flushed down the toilets.
The device measures the distance to the water below, taking measurements every few minutes, looking for irregularities, like a sudden rise in sewer levels, which could mean a blockage. If there's a problem, it'll send a notification back to base so Watercare can investigate.
Currently, we are kind of blind. We wouldn't know the overflows until a member of public actually reported to us, which by that time may cause a lot of damage to the environment already, and we want to minimize that.
It's part of a $12 million program. The sensors made by manufacturing firm Kallipr, which already supplies this tech to water authorities across Australia and Europe.
In essence, it's the same radar that you would find in your car. If you've got a parking sensor in your car and it starts beeping because you're getting too close, that's the radar sensor doing its job. Wellington
Water says it'll be watching this rollout closely. It currently has a small-scale pilot underway using similar tech, while Christchurch City Council says it's been investing in these sensors since 2017, which measure wastewater flow data.
Watercare started trialling this tech last year. They've now installed more than 400 of these sensors in flood-prone pockets of the city.
The plan is to install 5,000.
The sensor will help us to move our maintenance from reactive maintenance to proactive maintenance, which will cost us a lot less.
But Watercare says it won't mean cheaper water bills for Aucklanders. Instead, it will help the council-controlled organisation to utilise its funding better.
We can then be a lot more surgical in how we spend our operational budgets. Rather than looking at a whole catchment with a problem, we can maybe find which streets we've got quite quick so we can resolve problems quicker.
And stop wastewater from spilling where it shouldn't. Jacob Johnson, One News.